Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and so much more, then you're in the right place. Today we are going to dive deep into the COSORI Smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo, explore its amazing features, and show you how it can completely transform your cooking experience. So let's get started. Let's start it with the basics. The COSORI Smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo has a sleek and modern stainless steel finish, which looks great in any kitchen. It's compact yet spacious, with an interior that can fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a whole chicken. What makes this oven special is its 12-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, ferment, keep food warm, and more, all with one appliance. It's like having multiple cooking tools rolled into one. The 12 cooking functions make it incredibly versatile. Want to air fry crispy fries? No problem. Need to bake some cookies? Easy. Craving roasted chicken? It's got you covered. You even have option for toasting, dehydrating fruit, or fermenting dough for bread. With this oven, the possibilities are endless. It's a smart oven. You can control it from the VSync app, where you can preheat, set cooking times, and even access recipes. And it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use voice commands. Despite its compact design, the Kasuri offers a spacious interior. It can handle family-sized meal with ease, making it perfect for meal preparation, entertaining, or just cooking for yourself. With 360-degree hot air circulation, this oven cooks food evenly and up to 30% faster than traditional ovens, and it uses up to 85% less oil, so you can enjoy healthier meals without compromising on flavor or texture. The Kasuri comes with everything you need. No extra purchase required. You get a wire, rake, fry basket, crumb tray, and even a rotisserie kit. Each accessory is designed to help you make the most out of all 12 cooking functions. So why choose the Kasuri Smart 12-in-1 air fry toaster oven combo? It's incredibly versatile, replacing multiple kitchen appliances. It's smart enable making cooking more convenient. It's energy efficient, cooking faster while using less power. And it's designed for easy cleaning, perfect for busy lifestyle. Use the included app recipe for inspiration and to get the most out of your oven. The Kasuri Smart 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo is a game changer for any kitchen, whether you are a beginner or a pro. It simplifies cooking while delivering incredible results. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. See you next time.